Hello everyone, okay, this is video number 19 and this one is on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. If you remember a few days ago I put a video up and if you remember I plotted this line in here and I was talking about divergence between the currencies difference. What I have done here is I've put this vertical line in here and that was the point we were at in the video. And what I was talking about was we've got a lower high here and a high, obviously a high there, and it was the divergence between the two. It was here and here, wasn't it? Well, if you look, this here and this here, these 2 points here, this one's higher, okay, because we've got the reverse here, haven't we? We're high here and lower here, so we've got a lower high and a higher high. And there was some divergence back there, I think, wasn't there, somewhere? So what we were interested in, and of course it was climbing, obviously, you know, it was running, the day was running out, but the price was climbing extremely quickly, but the volume was obviously dropping off. I just wanted to follow this one up because it's interesting how it panned out. It did, obviously, I mean, this is during the Asian session, I guess, so it's going to be lower volume, and it picked up during the London Open, but it has actually tailed off and there's some divergence formed again. If you look at the price, we've got a higher high here between these 2 points, but here we've got a lower high, haven't we? And it has actually run off. Now the interesting point here is, if I just move it across, look at how the tick volume has crossed over here. Look, obviously we aren't matching here, but once we get to this point here, red, the unbalanced volume is going down. It's dropped below my moving average here. The difference line is dropping. So we're on an hour chart. You could obviously drop down to then a 15-minute chart, but crikey, look how it's dropped away. Look, it's done very well. There's a little bit of divergence forming again here, look, isn't there? Across the bottom of there, and look at the bottom of here. Let's just drop down to 15, see what was going on. So some nice moves. I mean, J.H. Lewis would like this. Look at this. Look, we've got let me put a trend line in here. Look, if I can get the thing working. There we go. Look. With a trend line in here. Obviously it's broken here. You could have got a few pips in here. I guess if you went down a time frame again, you could find this entry point here on a 1 minute chart and get a bit there. The difference line has curled over and away it goes again. Obviously we have to bear in mind that going back onto the hour chart, you know, this is in a downtrend, so if you're actually going to go long, you're going against the trend, so you'd have to be pretty courageous. So you'd only be looking for shorts within there. And you can see the shorts here are nice little runs. We've got one here as well. So anyway, it's just a follow up on that previous video. I didn't want to neglect it and not sort of conclude it, so you can draw your own conclusions from that one. Okay, alright, cheers chaps. Well, when I say chaps, it's a generic term. We do get some lady viewers, so hello ladies. So when I say chaps, it's for both sexes. Okay, bye now.